Hey guys, welcome back to 31 Days of Halloween. Today's video is Wicked Witch. It was inspired by the beautiful Atlee here on YouTube. Her video will be in the description box below. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. Starting off with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I'm taking this gray shade and using that as my transition color. I'm putting that all over the crease and smoking it out. Now I'm going in with that darker gray. It's kind of like a cool tone brown that looks gray, and I'm using that to give my crease a lot of depth. Picking up the whitest shade in the palette, I'm going to use that and focus it on my inner lid. Now grabbing the black shade in the palette, and I'm using that to smoke out my crease even more. Now just going to do my foundation and concealer off camera, and I'll be right back. Taking some white paint, I'm going to use that everywhere I placed concealer. So under my eyes, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, forehead, and chin. And I'm just going to use that to lighten up my skin. Now I'm just taking some translucent powder and setting that in. Now I'm just taking this dark gray and using that to smoke out my lash line. I do also go in with that black shade and smoke out the corners of my lower lash line as well. Now I'm picking up the white shade to highlight my inner corners. I didn't want my contour to be really warm, so I'm going in with that gray shade and I'm going to use that to contour. The way that I was contouring was supposed to look like a skull, but I ended up messing up and it didn't look like that at all, but I still went with it anyways. Then I took some white paint and then I used that to carve it out as well. Also using the gray to contour the rest of my face as I normally would. Now just taking the white paint and prepping my lips. Before finishing my lips off, I wanted to highlight, so I'm taking this ColourPop highlight and I'm going to highlight all the high points of my face. Here I'm just using my Kat Von D liner and lining my upper lash line. Now just taking a black gel liner, this is the Ardell liner, and I am filling in my waterline. Using the same liner, I'm going to draw a moon on my forehead with 2 little dots. Now drawing on my mouth, I'm using black paint and I'm just making it look like I have a ripped mouth. This is really easy. You can be as messy as you want. It really doesn't matter. What I did off camera was I applied lashes and mascara. I also put 2 dots below my eyes, and then I went in with white paint on my shoulders. I kind of just put white paint all over, then got some black on a paintbrush and put that in really messily, and then I drew a couple of crosses on my shoulders as well. That is it for this video, guys. My contacts and my wig are both from Amazon. They were both around $10 each, and my hat is from Forever 21. I got it like 2 years ago, so I don't remember the price. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, like it down below, and also subscribe to my channel because it just makes me so happy. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video tomorrow. Bye!